Surah 2, Ayah 193. Fight them until there is no fitna, meaning no anti-Islamic practices, no fitna. And religion is for Allah.
Well, there you have it, folks.
Yeah.
So every fight is mean fight by
Exodus 20.
Please come here.
Exodus
Please come.
22:20.
Explain.
Kill anyone who worships other than the Lord of Israel.
Fight. Please come and explain. So fight in Islam
This
means
verse-
come and
look,
kiss.
look.
Is that what you say?
Look, if you give
No,
us
him
peace,
T towel
you're
is
not allowed to be
confused.
killed.
Fight in
Quran
Islam,
chapter-
what does it mean?
Hey,
Please tell us.
Quran chapter.
fight your idea.
All right, okay. My dear friends, everyone. No, one second, everyone. So he is saying fight.
Cherry picking the verses.
Fight
Get away.
in Islam
Get
means
away.
coming
Walk
and
away,
kissing
walk
you.
away,
Please
walk
come here.
away.
Explain. Please show from the Quran
Get away.
how fight.
Look,
Fight
I said
means-
even when they want peace,
Please
the
come here.
enemies give them
Fight
peace.
means
Quran chapter 8.
deal verbally with the ideology. Please come. Please come and explain. What did Muhammad
They
do?
want to treat you like slaves.
Hey,
They want to treat you like slaves.
Jesus
That's true.
treats you
Don't let
as
them
dogs
treat you like a slave.
Jesus treats you as
Jesus
swines
will
and
make
dogs
you a
and
child
sheep.
of God.
He has serious mental
Don't be a
issues.
slave.
Jesus said sheep.
Don't bow down
He has
to
serious
black
no.
goats.
Sheep.
Jesus
Normally-
will make you a
Jesus said
child
you are
of
sheep.
God.
Sheep.
Jesus will make
Can
you
you see
a
what the
child
time
of
is?
God.
Swines and dogs.
They're coming to get him soon.
Like that.
They're coming to get him
Don't
soon.
let them treat you like that.
Sheep.
Muhammad had black slaves.
Sheep, not sheep. Sheep.
Muhammad had black slaves. Make sure they don't treat you like a slave. Right?
Jacob,
Jesus
Isaac, all
So my dear friends, point number one.
Jesus will make you
Islam
a child of God.
wants to take over all the world.
Slaves.
And until they rule and impose
Don't have slaves.
Sharia. Hello, sir,
Black
you're Muslim.
slaves.
Please come here.
The black slaves
Please
of
come.
Islam.
You look like a lovely man. Please.
No slaves.
Do you live here? Where do you live?
Netherlands.
From Netherlands. Please come and explain. Do we both agree that Islam's agenda is to impose Sharia everywhere, including the UK, including Netherlands? Do we agree that that's the agenda?
Muslim speak English.
Just walk away. This guy's sick in the head. He doesn't
He's going to shoo you away. He's going to shoo you away.
He's sick.
Stand up
Jesus
for your
called him dogs and
belief.
swines.
Stand up for your belief.
He calls it. Look,
He's going to shoo you away.
Animals.
Come on, speak.
Animals.
look.
Come on, let's have a debate.
You follow, my dear friend. You follow a tea towel.
Don't let them.
Can you imagine the misery of your life?
Don't let them shoo you away.
The misery of your life.
Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes unto the Father but
That's why
by
he puts the
me.
tea towel on.
Jesus is the only way to God.
Why are you angry,
He's the
Siraj?
Savior of the world.
Where are your handlers? Are they
Thank
delayed?
God for Jesus.
It's 5:30. How come they're not here yet? When are they going to come for you?
Don't be shooing people away.
Where is the debate? I want to listen to some debate.
Well,
Allow people
the
to
tea
think
towel
for
material
themselves.
takes people away.
Allow people
Christian,
to think
right?
for themselves.
I am. Are you Muslim? No. You're not. Okay.
Allow people
That
to
tea
think
towel
for
material we
themselves.
need to get banned from Speaker's Corner.
What's his name?
Thank
Tea
God
towel.
for Jesus.
His name is tea towel.
Yeah. Why do you want
The
to ban
only
him
way
from
to
here?
God.
Because he is against any level of intelligence. Any level of intelligence. Him, the moment he walks into the park, the IQ, the combined IQ level at the park goes down like that. So he is the undertaker. And he is the underest taker, you know. That's who he is. Look at him angry. Look at him angry. He should at least eat during Ramzan and not be angry, walking around like that.
That's how desperate they are.
Cover him. Look at the way he is angry. Look at the way he is angry.
They're trying to play the Nazi card.
Any Muslim who is not angry,
Muslims in Reform.
Exactly.
Let me introduce you to the Muslim chairman of Reform.
There we go.
any Muslim who is not angry, who would like to have a sensible conversation,
The Muslim chair of Reform.
anyone.
Can I have some sensible debates? Because people are here to listen, right?
But when you say sensible, don't point that way. Please don't. That will be insulting for them.
I can ask him to see if he can be
Yeah,
sensible.
yeah. But when you use the word sensible, if you point towards him, he'll treat that as an insult,
Okay,
a personal insult. Please
Pose a
don't.
question, right? Give him the question. Put up a good question, and then he will have to.
Sure. So
What's his name?
his name is is tea towel. This man is tea towel. Yeah, tea towel. 5:30 is the cutoff for him, and they're going to come for him soon. And that's why he's angry. It's time for his medicine, and he's angry. Can you see? Very angry. Can you see?
Listen, everyone is watching for a sensible
At least he
debate.
likes the
Come on.
joke. That's good. Very angry, but likes the joke. That's good. Anyone else? Rizwan. Any
He doesn't answer.
any Muslim who is not angry who can engage in a conversation.
He will answer. Ask him.
He doesn't
All
read
right.
Bible. He doesn't
All
know the
cameras
Quran.
on him. He will answer.
Sure. Any Muslim who wants to engage in a simple conversation about how the Quran respects women. Anyone? Anyone?
Answer, please.
Anyone, sir? Anyone, my dear friends?
Show me where Jesus respected women in the New Testament.
Sure, I
or
can.
Old Testament.
Are you happy for a debate right now?
Show him.
Watch
Are you
out,
happy?
yeah.
Are you happy to have a debate?
He's gonna show me where Jesus said prostitutes will go
Look,
to
he's
heaven.
no longer angry. That's good.
That's what-
At least the joke cooled him. That's good.
Just show him.
Okay, can we have a debate
Show me
right
where
now?
Jesus said, "Be kind to the woman."
I'm here. I am here.
Show me.
Sure. Can we have a debate right now?
Are you showing?
Okay.
No, let's go here.
Sure.
Yeah, because
I'm going to show to him
Come
quickly.
here, come here.
Please stay here. Please stay.
No, come here.
Please.
No, no.
I'm going to show to him right away where in the Bible I find the idea that men should have respect. Listen, please. Yeah.
Debate. It's a debate. Let's ask.
It's a debate. Look, a gentleman has come
The
here.
New
There's so
Testament.
many
Yeah?
people-
Yeah, New
As a
Testament.
New Testament, yeah.
Sure.
We are here to listen to debates.
Where Jesus said, "Be kind to your wives or women."
Yeah, but come here.
Yeah. No, he wants about women. Watch out. Just
Watch out.
Right?
okay, show me. In New Testament, yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Listen.
Jesus talking.
Have
New
some
Testament.
intellectual conversation. Like, there's so many cameras.
All right. What did Siraj ask me? Dear friends, please listen.
These guys are smart. So they-
Let's please listen. The topic is about Christianity versus Islam. Husbands respecting or loving wives. And Siraj asked me the question, show me one place in the Bible where it says husbands respect your wives. I'm going to show him and then I'm going to ask.
Jesus speak.
Okay, listen.
Jesus talk.
Oh, wow. Listen.
If you can't,
New Testament, listen, please.
Okay.
Nevertheless, let each one of you in particular so love his own wife as himself.
the verse.
Listen.
The chapter. Say the chapter.
Please, listen.
I ask him New
The tea towel is already getting confused.
Old Testament. Watch out.
What did he say? New Testament.
He showed me Deuteronomy.
No, listen. Now you respond.
Listen. I haven't finished. What did he say? Show me from the New Testament where it says, husbands, respect or love your wives. The book that I'm quoting from is the book of Ephesians. Ephesians,
Jesus speaking.
chapter 5, New Testament. This is New Testament.
Speech, I said, where Jesus said, "Be kind to your wives or women."
Listen.
So you don't listen to each other.
He doesn't listen.
Okay.
Oh, listening.
Please, if you're don't
I don't
shout.
want Ephesians.
Did you hear the word New Testament from him?
Ephesians, Jesus.
Ephesians is a book in the New Testament for your information. When you go home, you can check if you want. Listen,
Jesus speaking.
tea towel material should listen,
Jesus
please.
speaking, yes or no?
No, you need to listen right
Is
now.
Jesus speaking there?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Did you ask a question
Yes,
earlier?
I said Jesus
Are you
speaking
confused
in the
too?
New Testament.
Would you like a tea?
Okay, no answer.
Despite working in a
waste
tea,
my time now.
in a cafe, would you like to check?
Let him finish and then respond.
Yeah, let me finish.
Remember all these points.
Sure. Remember all the points and respond. What was the question? Show me from the New Testament where the New Testament says, husbands, love your wives or respect your wives. New Testament, the book of Ephesians, chapter 5, verse 33. Nevertheless, let each one of you in particular so love his own wife as himself. So I have shown one example. I have answered his question straight away.
No. Hey.
Now, let's throw the same question back. Show me one place in the Quran. One second. No, one. Now I am asking the question.
You answered the question.
Now I am asking the question.
Give me a
Show me
He didn't
one
answer.
place
Okay, goodbye.
in the Quran
I like
where it says says, husbands, love your wives.
Let him respond. Let him
One
respond.
place in the Quran.
Okay, I'm gonna give him, but he didn't answer my question, yeah?
Show me one place in the Quran where it says, husbands, love your wives.
What's my question? Ask him.
Respond anyway. Like,
What was my
Husbands,
question?
love your wives. Anywhere in the
Arun,
Quran.
what's my question?
Anywhere in the
I'm
Quran.
gonna show you, but what's my question?
Anywhere in the Quran.
Arun, what's my question?
I've answered your question. We have moved on.
My question.
Look, just because you're confused,
What's my
that doesn't mean others are. Everyone heard. Where in the Quran? Where?
He doesn't want to answer.
no.
Where in the Quran?
Question. Now you respond to the question. right?
Exactly. Look, listen to the moderator.
Give me a skirt. I want to wear your skirt.
Hello.
Be quiet.
Hello. I am here.
question.
Where in the Quran
respond to his
does it say something similar?
No, you respond. He will listen. He will
You asked
listen.
me to speak to him, but he's not showing me where Jesus said, be kind to your wife or woman.
I am here.
He's showing me
Wow.
all
Excuse me, sir.
Ephesians.
Time is ticking. Your handlers are
I'm
arriving.
the Quran and I'm gonna walk away.
I am here.
Are you ready from the Quran?
Listen to me.
Are you ready from the
Time
Quran?
is ticking.
Chapter 4.
Your
Open chapter
handlers
4.
are arriving.
Open chapter
So
4.
please get on.
Open chapter 4.
Husbands,
Can you
love
open
your
chapter
wives.
4?
Where?
Chapter
Husbands,
4.
love your wives.
Chapter 4. Jesus didn't even love his mother. He called her, hey, woman. Can you call your mother a woman?
Love your wives,
Can
please.
you-
Where?
Can you call your mother a woman? John chapter 2.
Where?
verse 24.
She's a woman.
Surah 4.
Address her as a
Chapter 4. Let's go.
Surah 4, yes.
Yes. Start from 19. Let's go.
Start from 19, okay.
17. Let's do 17.
17. Oh, it's going to be extremely boring now.
18. 18.
17,
19.
he's doing
Let's
his
do
counting
19.
exercise right now.
19. Watch out here. 19.
He's learning.
Look how Allah is telling us to treat the woman.
No, yeah,
Our
let's.
wives.
Yeah, let's.
19. He didn't show me where Jesus said, be kind to your wives and women. Never. But
Okay.
Jesus said the only way women can go to heaven before others is to become prostitutes.
Like it said,
Matthew chapter
clearly
21, verse
confused.
31.
Can you see? Now you know why he has a tea towel
Now
on.
I'm gonna answer this. He didn't answer my question.
Surah 4, Surah 4,
Yes.
Ayah 19.
No, no.
Don't
19,
interrupt.
Yes.
Don't interrupt.
Yes.
Surah 4, Ayah 19. I am going to read for him. Look carefully if the word love even occurs.
Treat them. Treat them.
Even
nice.
occurs. Please. Oh, you who have believed it, please listen. Oh, you who have believed it is not lawful for you to inherit women by compulsion. Oh, okay. Don't inherit women by compulsion, and do not make difficulties for them in order to take part of what you gave them.
Love. Do not make them.
Unless, listen to this deluded fool's response. Please. And do not make difficulties for them in order to take part of what you gave them. In other words, don't swindle money from them unless they commit a clear immorality and live with them in kindness. For if you dislike them, perhaps you dislike a thing and Allah makes therein much good. Where is this saying, husbands, love your wives?
Respond. Now respond to
What
that.
he's
That's
talking
fine.
about? Love. Being kind is part of love. Can you love your wife and not be kind to her?
Yes.
Can you? You can't.
Wait.
Love.
Wow.
Treat
kind to my
her.
colleague,
Treat
but I love
her. Treat her.
you get me?
I can't.
What does the verse say?
Let him answer. Let him answer.
You are the moderator,
You
please.
cannot treat them well.
30 seconds. Don't worry.
Sure.
If you don't love the person, you cannot treat them well. See, Allah is saying them
Happy?
treat them what? Well.
Kindness.
Sure. Can I now respond?
That's love.
Can I-
Is that hate?
Can I now
Is that
respond?
hate?
That's not
Wait,
love.
let him
Is that hate?
Being kind is not love.
Is that hate?
Can I now
Now
respond?
answer my question.
No, can I now respond?
Now respond.
Answer
Yeah,
my
I'm
question.
responding.
short.
Look,
Don't
listen to
give
the
him another
moderator.
5-10 minutes.
Listen to the moderator. What does
verse,
now?
another verse again.
Wow.
You want love now?
No. Listen to the
Now you want
moderator.
love.
Listen to the moderator.
Yeah, hold
Listen
that,
to the moderator. Now he's going to Google search
that's
to
fine.
find
Yeah,
elsewhere.
I'm giving you the
Please
verse.
listen.
Here,
Please
here.
listen.
Chapter 30.
I'm speaking
coming.
right now. I'm responding right now.
That's fine.
You can do your Google search after your Ramadan feasting. Please now focus.
Here.
Feasting, and then you can talk about that. What did he quote? Surah 4, Ayah 19. What does Surah 4, Ayah 19 say? Don't swindle away your women's properties. Don't be a crook. Point number 1. Don't make difficulties for
What
them.
woman is he talking
Don't. Whoa, listen.
What woman here?
Listen.
What's the context? Woman.
Am I going to respond?
What woman? He doesn't even know.
Excuse me, sir. Don't
Let him finish,
interject. I am.
then you respond, okay?
You look confused, but please don't interject.
And then you can
So what is it saying? Don't swindle away properties. Number 1. Don't exactly. No, do not swindle properties from women by compulsion, by force. Is that love? No, clearly not. Common sense. It's criminality. Don't commit a crime, is what it's saying. Number 2, it says do not make difficulties for them in order to take back part of what you gave them. In other words, what you have given them, you can't take back. Again, don't swindle property. In other words, don't get arrested. You, sir, don't get arrested and put in prison. That's what it's saying. Where so far nothing about love, all about don't end up in the prison. And then it says, and live with them in kindness. So what does that mean?
Okay.
In
Live with them in
context,
kindness.
listen. In other words,
Interpretation.
in other words, all that it says is, as long as you don't swindle away property, you are kind. Don't swindle. That's all we have heard. Tell me, sir, where do you find husbands love your wives? Husbands love your wives. Where?
Listen.
now answer, right?
Now, he failed. Look. He failed to answer my question. Yeah, I asked him, show me where Jesus said, love your wives and your women. Yes, treat them kind. Never. He showed me Ephesians. I showed him from the verse. Now he said, even treat them kind. Generally, treat them, your wives. And now here, Allah is saying what? Chapter 30, verse 21. And one of his signs is that he created mates for you, from yourselves, that you may find rest in them. And he put between you love and compassion, most surely. He put what, Allah, between us, man and woman in Islam?
Which Quran?
Love. See now?
All right. Done.
So, what's the purpose of man and wife and husband in Islam? What is the purpose? Wife and husband in Islam? Love. So show me Jesus where he said, love your wives.
Show.
Get the challenge. If you can't show me,
No.
I'm gonna walk.
I showed the word love already.
Jesus never loved women. He called his mother woman. Can you call your mother woman?
Is he going to stop?
John chapter 2 verse 24. Can I call my mother a
Can I now
woman?
respond?
Ignore my mother.
Can I now respond?
Have you finished, right? You finished? Yeah,
All right, my dear friends, what was the question? Establish from the Quran that husbands are supposed to love their wives. What have we found so far? The Quran is going to, in its delusion, call
This is
not taking. I am responding right now. Stay focused. I am here. I am responding right now. Listen to me carefully. Otherwise, you might ramble on again.
He's just denying.
Stay focused.
if you're a Messiah, you shouldn't wear that.
What did he say so far? He showed initially Surah 4, Ayah 19, and there we clearly found out that not taking away, swindling away your women's properties is kindness.
With him.
Please. No, one second.
They're debating like
Focus.
manner, right?
Focus.
So let that go.
Focus.
Let that
Stay
flow.
focused.
Continue, please.
Stay focused. Not swindling away your women's properties is suddenly, according to the Quran, kindness. This is a big time mental ailment. In our world, not stealing someone else's property, we would say, is not committing a crime. No one in their right mind would end up calling that kindness. That is expected of you legally. When you don't swindle away properties from others, like the way Muhammad did, you are merely not being a criminal. That's all it is. Whereas Muhammad was a criminal, don't be like him. Now he also quoted.
Muhammad. No.
Now he also quoted one more verse. What was the one more verse? Surah 30, Ayah 21.
Wrap it up very quickly. 26.
Wrap it up very quickly. What is it saying? It's saying, it's talking about mates. Mates. Note carefully. Mates. Let me read the verse for you if you did not hear from him properly. And of his signs, I am reading. I am wow. No. And of his signs is that he created for you from yourselves mates. Who are the mates? Well, in Islam it's very clear. Who are the mates? One guy, 4 sex slaves at a time, many more sex slaves from non-Muslims at a time, and with an ability to chuck the
context.
I haven't finished. I haven't finished.
He finished.
Oh, please focus.
You said 10 seconds.
But he's interrupting. He's interrupting. He's interrupting. He's interrupting. He's interrupting.
He said mates is one.
Because he's lying, I am clarifying.
The guy said mates.
Because he's lying, I am clarifying. Because he is lying, I am clarifying.
It's a
This
debate.
What's
has.
mates in Arabic?
I am answering.
What's mates in Arabic?
He's interrupting again. Ask him to be quiet.
Wrap it up so you can
I need to
respond.
wrap up, but this is important because Islam is a.
Make a note so you can respond.
Exactly. Take notes. Don't ramble on. Take notes.
No, I'm
So what is the Quran saying in Surah 30, Ayah 21? All that it is saying is the one guy with his 4 sex slaves and many other non-Muslim sex slaves with the triple talaq provision to chuck them out at will and take someone else
He's gone out of
are
topic.
called mates.
He's lying about the verse.
Listen,
He's gone
please.
out of topic.
Excuse me, sir.
Now it's me.
Let him
Now it's me.
I haven't finished.
Listen.
He is interrupting me. I won't. I need to finish.
You finish.
I need to finish.
Hold it.
I need to finish. Let me finish.
Topic now.
I finish. I need to finish. I need to finish.
You please go.
I need to finish. Give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds.
20 seconds.
10 seconds now.
Okay, go
I
ahead, go
finish.
ahead. 10
Tell him.
10 seconds now.
Tell him.
10 seconds.
Tell him.
Yeah, agreed to 10
Last
10
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
In other words, my dear friends, do not be deluded. In Islam, there is no such thing called one man, one woman that we would see as husband and wife. It is one man and a brothel of sex slaves. And in a brothel, whether you have kindness or not, is irrelevant. It is still a brothel. Now go on. Thank you, sir.
Go ahead. Now you respond.
So now he lied about chapter 30 verse 21. This guy, he doesn't know about the Quran. Allah mentioned about wives here. He said Allah, one of his signs is Allah created wives for you from yourself. Why? He made between you love and kindness.
I'm listening.
So now he lied about sex. You changed the topic. Again, chapter 65 verse 1. It says again, treat your wives well. Now before he was changing the topic, I'm giving the verse, he's diverting to his false interpretation. Now, if you want sex slavery, Arul today, I want him to answer this question, yeah? Arul, are you gonna condemn sex slavery and slavery, yes or no?
Okay, now can I respond?
Then
Is it
if
done?
yes or no?
Yes or no?
If yes or no?
No. Is
then
it
I
done
need
or
to
not?
answer. I need to talk.
Let him
after.
wrap up and then I will
Okay.
begin speaking. Is it done?
Arul always opens his mouth talking about sex slavery and slaves. But he forgot that it's in his Bible. He's putting his Bible under the bus. If you are going against sex slavery and slavery, Deuteronomy chapter 21, verse 10 to 16. Numbers chapter 31, verse 30, 1 to 40. Yeah? And also many other verses. Ephesians chapter 6 verse 5. It talks about sex mut'a marriage, temporary sex, temporary forced mut'a marriage. If you capture my wife in the battle, you keep her. If you like her, she becomes your wife.
Maybe with the phone.
After sleeping with her, you let her stay with you.
Maybe
After
with your
some
phone.
time, if you dislike her,
Your phone.
let her go after using her. So if a rule is against sex slavery and slavery. A rule, please. Today, from now on, leave Christianity, put the Bible under the bus. Otherwise, do not open and mention about sex slavery and slavery when your own book, both New Testament and Old Testament, says about sex slavery, forced mut'a marriage, temporary mut'a marriage. So now what I'm saying is, a rule from now on, leave Christianity, put the Bible under the bus. If you tell me Old Testament, it has nothing to do with me, discuss that with the Jews, then are you gonna say to me the God of the Old Testament and the God of the New Testament are two different gods? The same God who is giving the law in the New Testament and Old Testament, according to them, that's the same God. Are you saying there was a time he's condemning his God of the Bible? By condemning that, is blasphemy against the God of the Bible. Therefore, a rule should be put to death. Leviticus chapter 24, verse 16. Arun today put his Bible under the bus, and he condemned his God of the Bible by condemning slavery, sex slavery, and I provided the verses. See you.
Thank you. All right, now don't run away, don't run away. What happened just now? The question was simple. The tea towel material was supposed to demonstrate that the Quran makes husbands respect or love their wives. What did he do to the contrary? He ended up showing that the Quran says men can have brothels, and in the brothels they show sexual favor. That's all he has demonstrated. No sensible Muslim who knows his Quran would ever claim that the Quran only talks about one man, one wife. It is not to be found in the Quran. What is to be found in the Quran is a man and a brothel, and that is what he showed evidence for. Within the brothel, he is going to be kind. Well, no fellow who wants to pay money to be in a brothel is not going to show kindness, because his money is going to be wasted. And so Siraj is no ingenuous person to find this remarkable thing. My dear friends, in Islam, there is no place for women. Men treat women as sex slaves, 4 at a time, at will. It only takes 10 seconds for them to chuck them out. Talak, talak, talak. The women are gone. And therefore, these sex slaves don't even have rights in our nation. And the tea towel material, instead of fighting against his silly religion, he shows up here to defend and disturb conversations. I request the tea towel material to stand up and fight against Islam. Did you notice? Cunningly, he quoted many verses in the Bible claiming that there are sex slaves in the Bible. Guess what? Guess what? He will not dare to read any one of those verses, because when he reads, every one of us will understand that he is not merely a tea towel material, but he is a tea towel material who has escaped an asylum, and handlers are after him. Everyone would become aware of these details, because clearly what he is deluding about is to be found only in the Quran, not anywhere remotely close to the Bible. So perhaps the tea towel material who can still hear me can come and say Islam here.